Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Feelings draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Sparking dream that we can
Inspirado, né?
setting out for
Catedral lá.
Every step we take brings a new hope, new day.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. Evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Me parece que se prende fuego, pega. ¿Viste?
Look inside yourself. You are than what you have become. Remember who you are.
¿Está bien? Sí.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face.
And the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live and breathe.
Vamos a sentar. Ahí va a estar la frente.
We all have the courage to fly.